Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this video was meant to be a hair and makeup tutorial, but my camera ran out of battery before I could do my makeup, so I had to do it off camera, but it was just a real simple basic makeup just because I'm going to work. But I did get to record my blow dry and how I achieved this kind of voluminous kind of style. I didn't want it too curly and I didn't want it, you know, straight, so I just kind of wanted like a mix in between, something that's going to last me a couple of days in between. My color is going through a bit of a moment at the moment, so ignore the color. It's a few different colors, but I'll get there in the end, the result I actually want, but takes time. But yeah, so if you want to know how to achieve this beautiful bouncy blow dry, please continue watching. I'm going to condense it as much as I can when I'm editing, so hopefully it's not too long. But yeah, thank you so much for clicking into this video, and I'll see you in my next one.